another big tote bag with zipper. And to sew this bag, we're gonna use thrifted leather pink skirt. So let's get started.
Copy this pattern on your fabric. How to sew natural and faux leather. How to make your own Teflon sewing foot. How to make zipper of any length. Or how to shorten a zipper. How to sew bag straps. Pin outer fabric and handles to zipper. Sew outer fabric and handles to zipper. Optional, add inner bag slip pocket. Pin inner fabric lining to zipper. Sew inner fabric lining to zipper. Top stitch the zipper, that keeps the fabric out of way of the zipper teeth and gives it a nice finish. Now flip your pieces so that they face each other, right sides together. Pin the pieces together all around the bag. Leave a gap in the side of the lining for turning the bag out. Pull fabric right side out through the gap. To close the gap in the side seam, you need tuck in the fabric within the seam allowance. Press the opening closed and add 2 pins or clips to keep the layers together. Sew the opening shut, being sure to backstitch at the beginning and end.
I love my new bag. Color, style and this soft leather. Just perfect. As you see, I'm not the only one who loves this pink bag. Thanks for watching, have a great day and most important, have fun!